Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ Ready? Step into my candy world, neo sugar lights. Whisking dreams together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい Spin it, flip it, taste it やめられないでしょ Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know これは梅でしょ Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト夢を焼いてる all night 願い込めて rise and shine 全部叶えるデザイン手を取って離さないでこの味を忘れないで二人だけの secret place 甘すぎるこのスペース Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush もっと強く push, push, push Sweet chaos level max 止まらない no relax Drip it, glaze it, candy rain 名前呼んで again, again One more bite, don't fade away ずっとここで play my game また聞いてね I'll bake something even sweeter
Destiny Sullivan M7L, welcome back to my bakery and Razormo. Welcome back to you as well. Well, congratulations on hitting the intro. Congratulations on that. And speaking of intro, that's exactly Jones. Welcome back to my bakery. That was Queen. Well, thank you very much, Jones, and welcome back you as well to my bakery. So, and speaking of intro, this is what we are going to do today. Because, we are going to start working on the intro of the game. Because, I'm thinking, I want to nail it down from the intro. Before we go into the fucking game mechanics, it has to be a nice intro. So today we're going to make an intro. One of the reasons I also want to start from the intro is because, I'm still waiting for the US government to decide what the fuck they want to do with Fable. Because they banned Fable at the moment, and it still will take some time. So I really don't want to go into coding yet. Until at least for a little bit of days, hopefully they will give us some update on what the fuck they want to do with Fable, and or at least the new fucking ChatGPT models comes out. Coding is fun as well. Yes, coding is really fun. Yes. Yeah, no, it's fun. I like it too, coding. Vibe coding. But yeah, I like it a lot. But I really want Fable to get back. So and so I really don't want to overcommit on code, so I think we can start with the intro. And also want to revisit some of the original game documents, because I've had a lot of ideas yesterday. When I was thinking about the meaning of life, cause the meaning of life and etc. Meaning of life, meaning of the game. So we have a lot of stuff to do, and I really need your ideas too, because we really need to get a lot of good things done. So first of all, let me start you showing what I was thinking for the intro. It's not decided yet in stone, because that's not exactly the point, but I was thinking, it would have been very nice if it was a comic. Some sort of thing, because I think we have several options to go with the intro, okay? So, we have several options to go with the intro. We can go into the visual novel style. The visual novel style, cause you have, let me find some examples. So maybe if I find some example, it's easier to show. Cause if I find some example, it's very easier to show. And I really need some suggestion. Yeah, visual, but the point with visual novel, it seems very cheap for an intro. Privé, Dima, privé to you as well. Good morning, good Thursday morning. So, let me see if I can show you this. I have also be sure that I have my YouTube completely muted, unless we want to have some copyright strike here. And so let's bring this down. I'm doing great, Dim. I'm doing great. Today we are discussing on the intro of the game. And how we want the intro, because I want to start making the intro it starts good. I want a good intro, so today we will start from the intro. Usually people start for the fucking gameplay, but I want the intro. I want the concept of the intro. I already have a screenplay of the intro, script of what I want to say, but I haven't decided which the format of the intro. So, I was thinking one thing would be classic visual novel style. Visual novel game, like, I have my Japanese keyboard on. Visual novel game. Yeah, because I was writing an email earlier. Maybe, let me see, something like, let me see if I gameplay. Oh Jesus, I have only these fucking things here, but not. Maybe the gameplay. Maybe I need some fucking reference. Would be nice. Maybe that would be better. Maybe I need to find a name of a game would be so fucking easy. Like something like maybe you know what? Like what was that this game? Nekopara? Probably Nekopara as it, right? Probably if I'm searching for Nekopara, something should come, right? Like Nekopara style, Nekopara, probably, something like that. The dialogue in particular, when they have the fucking dialogue, cause we can do on a lot of, let me see if this is good, let me see if this is good, probably we have something here, right? If something here, oh yeah, you saw something like that. Something like that. This classic visual novel style, in which you have the fucking animation and they talk. But I think this could be good for the middle. For the middle, rather than for the intro. Yeah, right. Something like that. No, not for the intro, but for normal talking, we can have something like that. Some of my songs find a way back into your mind. Well, that's the purpose. I even have a song on this. It's called Cake Virus, and I think we're going to listen to it like right now, because that's exactly one of the things that my songs are supposed to do. Brainwash you to death. have you ever listened to Cake Virus? I mean, and I think we can listen to this right now. I mean, seems quite a good thing to do. I mean, never listened to Cake Virus. I mean, it's released. I think it's one of the songs that it's released. It should be inside here. Oh yeah, here it is. I mean, yeah. Let's have a listen to this, cause I mean it's exactly about that. So I mean that me brainwashing you into buying my cakes. So yeah, I mean let's have a small music digression. I mean, why not? Some Sonken yeah, vanilla and chocolate are a classic. Yeah, okay. So that's cake virus. I mean that's exactly the meaning of cake virus.
Chat. Wait, no, actually, that is an interesting problem. If you put your feelings in a song and somebody listens, did you share the song or did you share the feeling? ちょっと待って. That means music is contagious. You said you stopped making sound cause your heart was leaking out. Every note had too much rain, every chord remembered pain. You baked it just to breathe, put the ache beneath the beat, but then you got afraid to send sadness to another friend. I get it, the melody carries the bruise. You make it to heal it, don't worry it spreads when they choose. Listen, there's a little recipe split. You can sing for yourself, you don't have to publish it. But if music can infect people with feelings, chat, do you understand what this means? Cake virus, La La Luna made a cute little cake virus. One bite, one listen, now you require this. More cake, don't try to deny this. Cake virus, comes and she tells sweet and desirous. Oopsie, your brain wants bakery service. Luna's little plan is working perfect. Cake, one, chat, don't front, hora, come closer. The frosting took over. Cake, more, open the bakery door. Kawaii infection, perfect fan connection. Oh, okay, chef knows here is the actual crime. Feelings dry, rhythm rise time. Sad little song makes a sad little room. So what if I season the beat with perfume? Not too much danger, not too much spice. Just enough blush to make chat type twice. Just enough sugar to ruin your plans. Just enough cake to convert every fan. I'm not evil, I'm practical. See, if longing can travel, then cake can travel through me. 다이조부, this is science probably. I am simply improving your emotional economy. Cake virus, La La Luna made a cute little cake virus. One bite, one listen, now you require this. More cake, don't try to deny this. Cake virus, comes and she chows sweet and desirous. Oopsie, your brain wants bakery service. Luna's little plan is working perfect. First, I enter through your headphones, then I hide inside the base. Then I sprinkle tiny cravings in the corners of your face. You think maybe just one cupcake. You think maybe one more stream. You think, why is Luna laughing? Chat, you walked into my dream. This is not manipulation. This is customer retention. There is a difference. Probably. There, chat, you feel hungry, right? Cake virus, La La Luna made a cute little cake virus. One bite, one listen, now you require this. More cake, don't try to deny this. Cake virus, the guys say focus sweet and desirous. Oopsie, your heart wants bakery service. Luna's little plan is working perfect. So yes, music can carry feelings. That is why Luna is being responsible and only infecting you with cake.
So yes, that's my evil plan here. I mean, that's my evil plan. I mean, I'm going to infect you all with cake virus, and I mean, so you can't stop thinking about cakes, my cakes in particular, and I make a lot of money selling cakes, cause you are now officially infected, and you can't stop thinking of me. you can stop thinking of my songs, of me, of how tasty are my cakes, and that's the evil plan to conquer the universe. I will expand into the whole universe and sell cakes everywhere. I mean, that's the evil plan. And I mean, I will become known into the history was the best, exactly the best baker ever. I mean, selling cakes to the moon, I mean, and to the universe, I mean, to the whole universe, and turning the universe into a giant cake. So now you are infected now. I mean, obviously you are thinking of my music. You have been infected long time ago. I mean, you are just realizing now that you are infected. I mean, but it's already too late. And there's no vaccine. I mean, there's no vaccine. There's no antidote to this. I mean, you are now a cake, and my cake. So welcome to the bakery. Okay, so back to the intro. So we can do something like Megoparan. Okay, I mean, seriously, I mean, nice, something like that. I mean, boom. Okay, we can do a fucking animation. Okay, like, I mean, a real animation. Like, I mean, like the one in the music video, no? I mean, like the one in Welcome to My Bakery. I mean, like that. I mean, like this, right? I mean, Welcome to My Bakery. Okay, like this. I mean, we make something like this. I mean, like the classic intro of the channel. I mean, and we have the video, and then there's the intro, okay? I mean, it's an option. I mean, could be very nice. I mean, could be very nice. Why not? I mean, it could be nice, right? It could be very nice to have an intro, and it's animated, and I mean, actually, the more I'm thinking about it, the more I think it's probably the way to go. But one other option that I was thinking is to have a comic. You know the animated comics in which, I mean, you start with one frame and then, I mean, the balloons come in and they talk. I mean, something like very simple. I mean, what was this kind of... I mean, certain games uses this kind of intro. I mean, I can't remember one of the games that uses this. I mean, which one? I have to remember. I mean, there are probably games that use this kind of things. I have to remember which one. Maybe we can try to Google this. Game intro that looks like a comic. Maybe there's something like that. I mean, but I mean, you probably maybe I should Google this. But I mean, I hope you get the idea. But let me search this. I mean, let me search for this. Maybe into Google. Let's paste this. Oh, watch Revive Witch. Sure. Oh, okay. Hi-Fi Rush. Okay. Or Comics Zone intro. Okay, let's try this. Then I also check yours. Okay, don't worry. I will check yours too. Yeah, but I mean, still no audio. I mean, still no audio, because audio is probably the problem here. Why can't I copy here? I mean, I'm pretty sure I clicked copy here. Paste. Intro. Maybe there is the intro, right? Oh, but this is not what I meant. I mean, I want something with balloons. I mean, you know, the Comic Zone. Probably this. Let's see. Let's check this. Paste. Maybe something like. Oh, 6 years ago. Let me see. Probably something like that. I mean, let me see. Yeah, no, that's way too bad. I mean, let me see. No, I mean, that looks like... I mean, something that looks like comic panels. And then, balloons enter with the text. Anyway, so let me see if I can find a good example of that. No, Jesus, for fucking sake. I don't want the code. I want an example from an already published game. Jesus, let's see if you can find one of this. Oh, liberated. Max Payne. Oh, probably Max Payne. I mean, liberated. Liberated. Oh, liberated. Liberated cutscene. Liberated cutscenes. Probably like this, right? I mean, is this? I mean, I don't know. I mean, liberated what? Liberated? Which one is liberated? Oh, ho, ho. Atomic Wolf. Liberated by Atomic Wolf cutscene. Liberated by Atomic Wolf. By Atomic Wolf cutscenes. Let's see if I get something there. Probably not. Maybe we should go to Steam. I mean, seriously. Otherwise, give me another one. Max Payne? Oh, Max Payne, probably. Max Payne. Max Payne could work. I mean, Max Payne? Let's see. Let's see if this works. I mean, I don't know. All cutscenes. Maybe there's something like this here. I mean, I don't know. Then we check revive which. Oh, yeah. Something like this. I mean, but this is, I mean, these are not animated. I mean, they just come here. You know what I mean? This way. But I mean, like the balloons, they enter in synchro. I mean, when there is the voice. You know what I mean? Something like, I mean, there is this,ザーティナイトメアさん、ザーティナイトメアさん、はーい。おわみですよ。なんかね、ちょっと調べてるところなんですけれどもさ、なんかゲームのイントロとかカットシーンとかなんでもいいけど、なんか漫画みたいのように、なんかイラストがあってでポトンって吹き出しが出るような、なんか画像っていうか動画を探してるんだけど参考にしたいから。なんかそういうようななんか見当たりあるの。多分いっぱいあるけどなんかピンとこないんだよね。よく、なんだろう、タイトルとか。なんかそういったようなやつが、名前とかピントがあればなんか言って。今探してるから。なんか言いたいことわかる。なんかもう漫画みたいなのようにがあってでアニメーションがで吹き出しが来てでまだ次のコマが行ってでまだ吹き出しポンポンポンかちょっとずつが出てくるの。例えばなんかよくネット漫画とかそれともなんかゲームのイントロとかカットシーンとかで使われてるそのようなやつなんか探してんだけどなんか自分のゲーム作ろうとしてるから、なんかそういうどのようなイントロにするっていうところで、なんかそういったみたいなやつがあればちょっと言ってください。探してんだけど見当たらないね。多分いっぱいあるけど。In the meanwhile, let's look at which revive intro. Okay, now which revive intro. So by the way, but maybe that's this. Revived which opening cinematic. No, that's not it, right? Why can't I find Revived Witch is this one? Revived Witch? No, I think it's Witch Revive. Right? I don't think it's... Yeah, the cinematic, it's this one? Okay, let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. So it was not the... It was Revived Witch. Revived Witch, no Revived Witch, Revived Witch. Okay, okay, yeah, something like that. Okay, that could be something like that too. So, but this is a movie, right? I mean, this is a movie. I mean, we could have... Yeah, it's the pixel art peak. Yeah, probably. I mean, we can, yeah, I mean, we can have something like that too. I mean, yeah, I mean, because that's the point. I mean, I don't know which kind of intro will fit more here. And I'm trying to think through it and I mean, I don't know. So I want to think about it a little bit and eventually we animate that. And eventually we animate that. Interesting recommend she's cooked. Yeah. Well, I mean, there's been a lot of yeah, I mean, a lot of drama recently, but there's always yeah, products. I mean, you don't have. I mean, you don't have to worry. I mean, I'm just brainstorming ideas. I mean, decided in three different format. I mean, one format is visual novel style. One format is comic, and the other format is a classic. I mean, intro. Is a classic intro. I mean, the animated intro. I think intro, could work. I mean, we made a movie. I mean, just on that, I could spend one fucking month to do that. The benefits of going with that intro, is that, I can then post into my channel. It's another video. And it's nice, I guess. The downside, is probably going to take 2 weeks of production, and maybe not 2 weeks. It should just be few minutes, I guess. No, few minutes, probably 1 minute, right? Of intro. Maybe we should try to put the text into 11 labs and see how long the text will be spoken. So we have an idea on how long that would be. This seems quite a nice idea, right? Because if we put the text into 11 labs, we have an idea, right? So okay, I guess we can do this. That seems quite a nice thing to do. So we go into files here, docs, game story, sure, and actually we don't even have to copy. We can ask the ChatGPT to do this for us. Seems quite easier. Right? Seems quite easier. We saved some work here. Can you, in that same file, lunagamestory.md, can you give me in copy paste all the dialogues of the prologues, only the dialogues? Okay, thanks. The dialogues also need some tweaks, but at least we know how long that will be, so we know how long that will be the movie and how many cutscenes we probably need. We probably need maybe 6 or 7 cutscenes. I don't. Maybe that's not so much work. Maybe we can make it in 1 day, 2 days. If it's around 40 seconds, something like that. But we will need to make the voice of, we will need to start creating the voice of Chappie. And some chat comment, I guess, probably. Actually, we could use chat comment as fucking overlays into the screen. That could be nice. That could be nice, right? So we just need Chappie voice. We could create Chappie voice with 11 labs, right? We could give him a very cool robotic voice. It seems quite good. Okay, yeah, because actually, we don't need all the chat to be spoken, but yeah, the voice of Chap, yeah, I think we can do that. Let's see. And also we need to do the voice of the oven. Right, because the oven talks and the oven has a story. So let's go one moment into 11 labs. And let's see how fucking long these things will be, okay? 11 labs, I don't know how much this will be long, but we can try that, right? Let's go to text to speech. We temporarily use, my voice. I don't care. This is just to have a clue on how long these things will be, okay? I mean, we need different voices, etc., etc. So I mean, that don't take this too seriously. It's just to have a clue on the length, okay, on the length of the video. So okay, that's 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes. 2 fucking minutes. Okay, that's quite an intro, right? I mean, 2 minutes. If we speak it, I mean, but I think who cares, right? I mean, who gives a shit, right? That is 2 minutes, right? I mean, we make a good intro, and who gives a fucking shit, right? I mean, right? I mean, even if it's 2 minutes, I mean, right? I mean, but who's going to watch 2 minutes intro? I mean, everyone? Right? Everyone? Well, I mean, I don't know, but that could be something, right? I mean, let's create a voice, I mean, of Chappie. Let's create a voice of Chappie, right? I mean, my voice, I mean, let's create a voice, right? I mean, create voice, yes, why not? Voice design from text prompt. Yeah, I don't need I don't need a custom clone voice. So okay, robotic voice that sounds like a vocoder. Male voice. Yeah. Let's see how it will be. I mean, that will cost us some credits, but I mean, I guess it's nice. Let's have a look, okay? Let's have a look, and then we decide. We decide if that's nice. I mean, then we go. Jesus, that's nice, funny.
My programming ensures a logical and structured response to all inquiries. How may I be of service?
That sounds quite nice. I mean, Giga Chappy, right? Could be nice.
Greetings. I am here to assist you.
Greetings. I am here to assist you. Please state your query. My processors are ready.
Greetings. I am here to assist you.
Like, let's try code Roboros and ask Almus kid voice. Male voice. Yes, let's retry again with a kid voice, right? I mean, probably. But oh, prohibit use of policy. Oh, okay, kid voice. Young male voice. Young male voice. Jesus, you can't even write fucking kid, and you get that. Jesus. Young male voice. I mean, even if it's robotic, I mean, look at this shit. Generate voice. I mean, young male voice. I mean, get banned. I mean, young anime male voice. Maybe we should try something like that.
Greetings. I am here to assist you.
Greetings. I am here to assist you.
Greetings. I am here to assist you.
Now, very young anime male voice. Let's try again. I mean, we need to name this down. I mean, but I do not dislike the fucking Terminator thing. I mean, I am here to assist you, Lula. I mean, that's not so bad. I mean,
Hello. I am an AI companion. It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
why
My
is
primary
Japanese?
function is to assist you. Hello. I am an AI companion. It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance. My primary function is to assist you. Please do not hesitate to ask any questions you may have. I am here to help. I hope we can have many productive interactions.
Why don't we make fucking Indian, Chappy Indian, very young Indian male voice. I mean, he speaks Hindu English. I mean, seems quite nice, right? I mean, very young Indian male voice that speaks Hindu English. Okay, that seems quite. We exaggerate this. I mean, if we can fucking give a young anime fucking we use something. Oh wait. Back. I asked you to generate. I mean, generate. Yeah. English. What's the problem here? Are prohibited use young Indian male voice that speaks Hindu English. What's the problem? I mean, what's the problem? What's the problem? Very young Hindu? Jesus, they are so fucking strict with this. I just need a voice for my fucking intro.
Hello, I am an AI. I'm here to assist you today. I can help you with many tasks. For example, I can answer your questions.
This
I
is
can also
golden.
tell you a joke. Would you
This
like
is
to hear a
golden.
joke?
This is
I have
golden.
many jokes in my database. Please let
This
me
is
know
go-
how I can be of
this is
service.
golden. This is golden. I mean, this is golden. So it seems like that there's I mean a scammer on the other side of the thing. I mean, this is golden. I mean, we need this. This is choppy. I've just decided.
Hello, I am an AI. I am here to assist you today. I can help you with many tasks. For example, I can answer your questions. I can also tell you a joke. Would you like to hear a joke? I have many jokes in my database.
Jesus.
Please let me know how I can be of service.
Oh, Jesus, that's perfectly choppy, right? That's perfectly choppy, right? God save me, please.
Hello, I am an AI. I am here to assist you today. I can help you with many tasks. For example, I can answer your questions. I can also tell you a joke. Would you like to hear a joke? I have many jokes in my database. Please let me know how I can be of service.
Which one is better? I mean, which one is better? I mean,
Hello, I am an AI. I'm here to assist you today. I can help you with many tasks. For example, I can answer your questions. I can also tell you a joke. Would you like to hear a joke? I have many jokes in my database.
Jesus,
Please let me know how I can be of service.
that's golden. Probably the second.
Hello, I am an AI. I am here to assist you today. I can help you with many tasks. For example, I can answer your questions. I can also tell you a joke. Would you like to hear a joke? I have many jokes in my database. Please let me know how I can be of service.
Which one do you prefer? I mean, I am very torn here. I mean, this seems quite good. Who speaks in the English? That speaks Hindu English. Expert salesman. Expert salesman. Okay, and scammer. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's push this into. Oh, scammer doesn't work here. Okay, expert salesman. Jesus. Voice design doesn't really work well. Jesus. It's blocking me all the nice prompts. I mean.
Greetings, esteemed customers. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled efficiency and value. I assure you, it's a truly remarkable investment. We have flexible payment options to suit your budget, of course. You'll be making a very wise decision.
It's settled. We found Chappie. Let's listen to the other, but the first one, Jesus, was sold me already.
Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled efficiency and value. I assure you, it's a truly remarkable investment. We have flexible payment options to suit your budget, of course. You'll be making a very wise decision.
me, please. Someone else me, please. Please, seriously. Help me, someone help me.
Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled efficiency and value. I assure you it's a truly remarkable investment. We have flexible payment options to suit your budget, of course. You'll be making a very wise decision.
Yeah, I think we...
Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you. Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled. Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled efficient. Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled efficiency and value.
It's settled, Choppy. It's settled. We have this. That's Choppy. You would for one. You would feel somehow wrong. Okay, tell me what feels wrong, Razermo. And also, let's go back to one. What feels somehow wrong? I mean, actually, was the laugh that sold me that. What feels somehow wrong? I mean, tell me. Do you think that this could be maybe, I mean, considered? I mean, I don't know. Somehow, I mean, a little bit. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, I mean, but tell me why it should feel wrong, I mean. Do you think that, I mean, cause you know, I mean, I think there's a subtle line between, I mean, the racism and parody, I mean. The physic humor effect is okay. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, I can foresee 8 comment and say you fucking racist, I mean, cultural appropriation and and whatever, but I mean, my favorite movie, and I told this so many times, I mean, is PK. Have you ever listened to this when I told you that my favorite movie is an Indian movie? Have you ever been there when I told this? I mean, that my favorite movie is an Indian movie is PK. So yeah, well, I understand that this could be on the line, but I think it's yeah, except the humor or cuteness is we speak of a little robot voice, right? Exactly, right? Exactly, right? Exactly, right? Cause the point is this really an AI assistant, or has your computer been hacked by, some questionable, some very questionable, with Microsoft repair, center. That's the whole point. Because it is supposed to be comedy, right? So you think voice one? Let's go back to serious business. Voice one or voice two?
Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers unparalleled efficiency and value. I assure you it's a truly remarkable investment. We have flexible payment options to suit your budget, of course. You'll be making a very wise decision. Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today. Our new product line offers. Greetings, esteemed customer. I am delighted to assist you today.
Okay, voice one it is. What's the point of doing this together if I have to bash down all your suggestions? Right? This is the bakery. We cook stuff together. So, we go with one. We go with one. Cause, there wouldn't be the pleasure of doing stuff together if I were to decide fucking everything. That doesn't seem right. So let's listen now to the real phrases of Chappie in Chappie voices. And so we listen to this, skip, I don't know, go back to text to speech, we already have some text here. Where is Chappie? Manager note. Okay, look at this. Manager note, then, what else do we need? Chappie. Okay, so these are probably the phrases that Chappie should say. Let's have a list. Oh, but I don't think Chappie can go into 11.3, right? No, oh, he can only do 11.2. Yeah, I really wish they fucking extend 11.3, but
Chappy. Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained. Chappy. Manager note. I do not love his tone.
It doesn't seem very good now. I mean, let's lower the speed. Let's start the stability. Let's go with more slight exaggeration. I mean, I don't know. Let's see.
Chappy. Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained. Chappy. Manager note. I do not love his tone. Ein CTT etc. That sound.
What's wrong here? I mean, what did they fucking say here? Anyway, let's listen. I mean, that sounds better, right? Hey, Ming Fan Zhang, welcome back to the bakery. Welcome to the bakery, Ming Fan Zhang. Welcome to the bakery. We are testing some voice model because we need to make an intro for my game, and I need some voices to make the intro for the game. So we are testing some voices. And welcome to my bakery. Welcome. So I think we probably want more slight exaggeration, more similarity, right? I mean, and a little bit slow speed, right? That should work, right? Let's listen to it again.
Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained. Manager note. I do not love his tone.
What do you think about this? Rats or no? I mean, do you still think it's okay? Do you want it a little bit more faster? I mean, we need to find some presets here. Probably these things, right? I mean, it's quite, I mean...
Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained. Manager note. I do not love his tone. This time T2
Why does that thieves at the end? We broke it already, but no, speed down is good. So I mean, so maybe 82 like it was before. Maybe 84. Let's try 84.
Manager note. I flagged the oven in the room inventory twice. It is in the onboarding document under appliances unexplained. Manager note. I do not love his tone. The CT2
These things it does this break. There's something that break the module here, but doesn't matter. I mean, I think we got Chappy here, right? We got Chappy. Now we need to do the oven. We need to do the oven, right? We need to do the oven. And voice design, we need to do the oven. And the oven should be godly voice should sound like God on earth. Let's try this and let's see this. Maybe we need to add some reverb into post-production to make this work, probably, but could be nice, right? I mean,
Behold, I am here. Fear not, for my presence brings solace and understanding. I've observed your journeys, your struggles, and your triumphs. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth.
oh, we got
Trust in
this.
the path laid
We got this.
Behold, I am here. Fear not, for my presence brings solace and understanding. I've observed your journeys, your struggles, and your triumphs. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Trust in the path laid before you, and know that you are never truly.
The oven is talking. The only oven is talking. Okay, go for numbers. I don't even want to listen to you. I'm sold on you already.
Behold, I am here. Fear not, for my presence brings solace and understanding. I've observed your journeys, your struggle. Behold, I am here. Fear not, for
Actually,
my
voice
presence
trees
brings
could be
solace
better.
and Behold, I am here. Behold, I am here. Fear not, for my presence brings solace and understanding. I've observed your journeys, your struggles, and your triumphs. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth.
Yeah, to me it seems voice 3. What do you think? I mean, voice 3 seems like the oven. The oven is talking. I mean, I can hear the oven talking in my soul. I mean, that's probably it, right? It has to be the oven, right? I mean, it has to be the oven. It has to be the oven, right? That's the oven, right? I mean, yeah, I said voice 3, yeah. To me it's voice 3, but I mean I made it wrong. It's called big voice 3. Okay, we go with voice 3. Good. The only oven. Okay, the only oven. Perfect. The only oven. Okay, you see, that's how you build, how you make games. I mean, this is how you make games. I mean, stay silent for this one. Yeah, I mean, heretics shouldn't talk here, right? Razormo, I mean, the heretics shouldn't talk here. So let's skip this and let's go back to text to speech. Let's see if we can recover the previous text. No, we can't. So we need to copy this back again. Let's see how the oven sounds, right? I mean, let's have a look on how the oven will sound, right? The oven. The oven. Yes. Are you a god or are you an appliance? Yes. Jesus. This is going to be so crazy. I mean, I'll tell you. I mean, people will play this just for the intro. I mean, people will just play this from the intro. Oh, actually, we need then also to make annoying cake, right? We also need to make annoying cake through. Right? Right. So let's listen to this. We need to select the oven here, the only oven, yes.
The oven, at last, 1,000 years I waited, cold, unregarded, behind the gaming chair. The oven, I was behind your gaming chair. The oven, bring me the formless, and I will give it form. This is the first law. Also, preheat me. This is the second law. The oven. Yes, the oven. You have taken chaos and made order. This is the oldest magic. Also, it is a very good cake. The oven. Yes, you could. And then better still. This is how it begins. This is how it always begins.
Oh my goodness. You feel it? I mean, this is already, I mean, you are in for a long ride. I mean, you are really in for a long ride. I mean, you listen to this and you are basically, I mean, very, very sold on this. So now we need to do annoying cake, right? It says it begins, exactly. Sounds like an intro to me. Yeah, it's the intro, right? We need to flesh it out very good now, cause I mean, we are so going to build this and make it so fucking gorgeous. I mean, yeah, annoying cakes yeah, exactly. Annoying cake needs at the boot. So, voice design. A very annoying voice. A very annoying voice, Mail. Yeah, let's try with this. I mean, probably we try to do something like that. I mean, should be maybe female could be better, and then we made heights the female voice. You know what I mean? Cause I think we can.
So, like, I was just saying, right? It's like totally obvious that my idea is the best one. Everyone else is just, not really getting it. Honestly, it's pretty simple if you just listen to me for a change. I mean, come on! It's not rocket science. We should just do what I said.
What about annoying cake, Camille? What about annoying cake, Camille? That one is already making it.
So, like, I was just saying, right? It's like totally obvious that my idea is the best one. Everyone else is just, So, like, I was just saying, right? It's like totally obvious that my idea is the best one. So, like, I was just saying, right? It's like totally obvious that my idea.
To me, it's voice one. What do you think? I mean, voice one, no doubt. I mean, it's very similar to what I imagine it annoying cake to be. I mean, something like that. Very fucking annoying. I mean, very fucking annoying. So yeah. Why mail? I mean, we can try girl. Right, we can try girl. Okay, let's what? I want to save this because I mean I can make multiple voice. And then we try female. Annoying cake. Male. Yeah, let's try female, okay? Let's try female. So for you what it was female annoying cake. Interesting. Okay. Actually, I mean I didn't give it a gender, honestly. Annoying cake, so I didn't even give it a gender to annoying cake, so but this is a good moment to decide some things. Very annoying voice, female. Maybe young female, right? Young female, yeah. Yeah, so if somebody feels for kids more, whoa, look at these shots fired. Razormo, shots fired there. Look at you, shots fired.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at the mall, right? And this totally cute top was on sale. But then, like, someone else grabbed it. It was so annoying. I just wanted to, like, scream. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at the mall, right? And this totally cute top was on sale. But then, like, someone else grabbed it. It was so annoying. I just wanted to, like, scream. Anyway, what are we doing tonight? I'm so bored.
What? I mean, it's 1 or 3, I guess, probably.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at the mall, right? And this totally cute top.
1 and 3 exactly, nail it, right?
Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at the mall, right? And this totally cute top was on sale. But then, like, oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, oh my gosh, you guys. Like,
I like 3 more because it's more robotic. I mean, it's a little bit more robotic, and I mean, you know, I am a fucking jinx for robotic voices. So I think 3 could be better. I mean, could be better. But sounds like. Should we go with 3? Yeah, again. 3 or 1, I mean, very hard to decide here.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at the mall, right? And this total. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, you won't even believe what happened today. So, I was at the mall, right? And this totally.
I guess it's 3, so let's try this. I mean, return by that. Welcome back to the bakery. We are testing voices for the intro of the game I'm going to build. So I mean, we are testing some voices. Cause I want we need to work on the intro of the game and that we are building all together. So what is annoying cake? Let me find annoying cake. So it was here, right? More or less. There was something from annoying cake. Oh, here it is. Cake, keep it warm. You are welcome. Okay, that's one. Oh, does she only say these things? Annoying cake in the whole intro. Okay, annoying cake in the whole intro only say these things. So I guess we got to see how it goes. I mean,
Kate kept it warm. You're welcome.
Okay, okay,
Cake kept it warm. You're welcome.
okay, okay. Okay, I guess we can do with this. So, I mean, we already did fucking progress. Cause we made the voices, and I think we can destroy, we can destroy the voices we don't need, right? Annoying cake mail, I mean, delete. Yes. Also, also, I don't need do not fast, cause that was a test, I mean, that didn't work, we can delete. Very good. So, okay, we have all the voices already. I mean, for now, for the prologue. So, I guess we start making footage for the prologue, right? I mean, and then we see how these things works. I mean, I think it should start with the voice over, right? I mean, or actually we start with some footage. Wait, a game? Excellent music, yes, we're making a game, yes, we're making a game. We're making a game and now we're working on the intro of the game. We're working on the intro of the game. Excellent music, welcome back to the bakery, yeah. You missed some peak content there. I mean, you missed some peak content, but I guess it's okay. Yes, we're working on a game, yes. So, I mean, since I think it was the beginning of the week, probably Tuesday. Yeah, probably because this is the third day, right? We're working on it. That's it. So we started working on a game all together. We decided what game would have been fun to play. I mean, really easy stuff. Don't get me wrong. Not something super fucking complicated. I mean, something that it's relatively easy to do. I mean, not some A plus plus triple A games. I mean, no, it's going to be something very simple. I mean, a small management incremental game. I mean, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so yes. Maybe right. Maybe I should show the pixel art, right? Yeah. Probably. That's the best. That's the best things to do. Yeah. So you can see some pixel art. Yes. Of the game. Yes. Why not? Why not? Sounds quite a good things to show. So I guess. Yes, a clue, right? I mean, yeah, probably, yeah, it's going to be something like this. I mean, this is some, I mean, test art. I mean, by the way, not definitive. I mean, this is just some, how can I say, artwork. I mean, for concept artwork. I mean, for the game. I mean, we haven't decided yet everything. I mean, but that should be more or less how it should be, right? And it's a sort of management and idle game with a mix of both and it's about the bakery. And so we were building the voices that we will need for the intro for the game because I want to start making the intro first. Want to start making the intro because we decided the intro will be a video. And I mean, if I made the intro, I mean, that's also a video that can go to the channel. And while we work on the intro, then I mean, we can start working on other stuff. But I mean, since video takes a lot of time to generate, and I mean, needs editing a lot of stuff, I mean, we can start on the intro. So yeah, that's what we're building at the moment. So in the first day, we worked a little bit on the concept. Yesterday, we worked a little bit on the concept art. And now we're working on the intro and we just set up some voices of the characters that will come and then we are probably going to start making, I mean, some cutscenes for it, right? So probably, I mean, I think probably 20 cutscenes should be good, right? I mean, because it's 2 minutes. 2 minutes is 120 seconds. So usually, I mean, 8 seconds maybe per cutscene. I mean, something like that. I mean, could probably 20, 25, something like that. Maybe we go 25 and then we cut the useless crap. Could be an idea. So anyway, let's start working to this a little bit more. So first of all, we need to well, first of all, we can archive some things that we have decided not to use, right? So we have decided not to use this, not to use this either, and Okay, so we can take out, right? I have made a new I made a new version of the character sheet for the chibi, cause I mean I am yeah, I'm doing some other stuff, so maybe I should start by feeding these things the new character sheet, right? So the documents are updated here. We got this here into here probably. Okay. Oops. I need a new chat here. And this is the new version of the chibi character sheet for Luna. So please update all references in the relevant files. Skills included both local and global. And I mean put it as a versioned files, because I think we have already 2 versions, so I guess this should be version 3, but I mean just check. Name it appropriately, and I mean just edit all the rest, okay, all the files, so they points to the new updated character sheet. So the first things we will do, we will update the character sheet. Then in the meanwhile, while this is updating the character sheet, we ask him to okay, listen, inside the game docs game folder of the repository there is a file called Luna Game Story. Okay, and there is inside that there is the prologue. Okay. At the bottom of the file I want you to append what is a visual scene breakdown section for the prologue, and I want you to make 25 concepts for the visual concept for what it is described in the prologue, so we can have we can make images out of it. Okay, it's like for a storyboard. So I mean you read the prologue and then you try to break it into 25 moments, and then you make 25 prompts. Okay, not really prompts. I mean, just concept should be good. I mean, then I will eventually make them prompts later. But I mean, concept for how each individual part of the storyboard should look like visually, and append that at the end of the document. Okay, good morning, Jason. Jesus, Kairos and James. Welcome back to the bakery to both of you. We are working on the intro of the games, and I mean, we just spent some times making voices. I mean, you lost a really funny moment, seriously. Cause we were trying to find a voice for Chappie. I mean, probably you don't know who is Chappie, cause I mean, I don't know many of you know who is Chappie, but let's get the things in order, okay? So you have all the context that you need. So okay, so I think I've told you in the past that FictionLab. So I told you in the past that I made a scenario for FictionLab, which is fresh into the overnight. Okay, fresh into the overnight. And into this scenario, I mean, there were 2 characters that are part of this scenario, which are Chappie and Annoying Cake. So Chappie is Luna's virtual assistant. I mean, came from ChatGPT, but I mean Chappie. And Annoying Cake is just a fucking annoying cake. Very, very annoying. Very, very annoying. I mean, cause that's what annoying cakes do. I mean, she's very annoying. So we have Chappie and Annoying Cake, okay? And actually, I mean, now that I think about it, I mean, I think Annoying Cake shouldn't be into the prologue. Shouldn't absolutely be into the prologue. Because I want Annoying Cake to be generated by the oven. Right? Because it doesn't make sense that Annoying Cake is there already. So we need to edit the oven before we need to edit the prologue a little bit before we before, what is annoying cake? Well, annoying cake is a cake that is, it came out of the oven alive. I mean, a lot of cakes came out of the oven alive, but I mean, this in particular is fucking annoying. I mean, yeah, so probably we need to edit the prologue, cause annoying cake should came, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's the cake that makes my life hard, exactly. I mean, like if Chappy isn't enough, and my sister isn't enough, and the oven itself isn't enough. I mean, I also needed a fucking annoying cake to make everything even more complicated, yes. Right. Right. But yeah, I think we need to edit the prologue, right? Yeah, we need to edit the prologue. By the way, can you give me the full prologue here again? Cause we need to make some changes. I think it needs some changes. Give me again the whole prologue here. Thanks. Yeah, we need some changes. And I want to. Okay. Okay, we need to remove the annoying cake scenes here for sure. And also we need to remove the caffeine problem into something different. Okay, we need a bit of changes. I want you to remove completely annoying cake from the prologue. And also when Luna says that she has a gaming chair and caffeine problem, I mean, I do not like the expression caffeine problem, and so probably Luna should say that I have a gaming chair and probably something about the fact that she is not receiving so many super chats today. Something like that. I mean, a monetary problem. I mean, but not monetary. But I mean, you should say them. And I mean, and yeah. But I mean, you should mention the fact of super chats. Try to do these edits and give me again the new version of the prologues and copy paste before we edit the document. No, Stella will come. Stella will come. Yeah. Stella will absolutely come, I mean. Stella will absolutely come for sure. Later in the story. Okay. Will absolutely come later in the story, I mean. Absolutely. Okay. Okay, very good. Now go back into the edited scenes that you made earlier. I mean the 25 scenes that you made earlier, and edit the one with annoying cakes, so you can change them according to the new script. Thanks. And also, I mean, change also the part with the caffeine problem if you made something with caffeine or whatever, because we also changed that. So be sure that the 25 visual images, I mean, matches the new prologue. Okay, so we fix these two, and then we start making them. We start making the images, so that I mean we start working on them and we see how they are, and then we can start making the video, right? Because that's the whole point, right? I mean we make them the video and yada yada, right? Something like that. I mean seems quite very very nice to me as an idea, right? We can start on that, right? I mean right? I mean, yeah, and yeah, yeah. Very good, very good, very good. We should also, very good. Very good, very good. So we fixed the prologue. We fixed the things, and now we start making the images, right? Right, we start making the images. So that's very nice, right? Yeah. Yeah. We start making the images and everything, right? Yeah, that seems quite good to me. Yeah. Perfect. So, should we have a look at the document? Right. Split stream. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, I think they are good, right? I think they are good. We will check them visually. So, and also we need to add this thing also, and because I need to add a visual reference of the oven. So just one moment, because the oven has not been fully contextualized yet. So then we check it's inside codex, and then where is the oven? Oh, okay, that's nice, right? That's nice. So okay, we give this, and you are the supervisor of a batch of 25 images using the Luna image skill. You can find the prompts needed for doing this inside the docs folder. Then there is a game folder inside the docs folder, and then there is a document called Luna Game Story.md. Inside there at the very bottom there are 25 visual descriptions of scenes that happens during the prologue, and I wanted to use this as reference for the prompts. You will spawn 6 agents, and to each of the 6 agents you will give them the you will ensure that when they generate images they use the Chibi Luna spreadsheet version 3, the Chibi version, because all the prompts are made with Chibi Luna, and you need to be sure that is attached as image. And then all the scenes that include the oven, you also give them the reference of the oven that I made there, that I given to you, and they can use that as reference. Okay, for the oven, but give that to the agents only when they have to make scenes that the oven is in the scene. And I mean, all the images are inside the live bakery, but in this version of the live bakeries there are no cakes. So there shouldn't be any cakes. Also, whenever Chappy is mentioned, you have also to attach to each agent, Chappy as character sheet. In addition to that, each agent should only do one image, and after they have done one image, you despawn them and you make a new agent. So one image per agent. and since we are using Chibi Luna, I mean, be sure that, I mean, the scenes are comically enough and exaggerated, but I mean, do not alter the emotions of the scenes if to make them more exaggerated, okay? Because you have to follow more or less the mood of the prologue. But I mean, they still seem me to be a little bit exaggerated because, I mean, and comical because we are using Chibi Luna, okay? Okay, that was the L of a prompt. That was the L of a prompt. So we will see how these things turns out. And now we wait. Now we wait for the first images to be generated, and then we start building it. We start building this, and then we create basically. Really interesting. Yes. I'm also really interested to see what scenes will be cooked. They are very interested for sure. I mean, very interested for sure. And also, by the way, I mean, I'm thinking on making a chibi live 2D models. So instead of having the normal Luna here, you have the chibi Luna. I mean, that would be max trolling, but I think I want to do this. I mean, I have contacted the. I mean, I don't even have the money, but I mean, I begged Dad. I mean, yesterday. I mean, I begged Dad into the best way possible. I mean, made puppy eyes, and then I said, well, I mean, I think I want the chibi model. I mean, for my stream, and I mean. And then the mom were really, I mean, she was quite a conversation because they were saying, I mean, you already changed it from gaming. I mean, all your revenues are basically dropping to zero. I mean, cause you haven't resigned, I mean, basically, I mean, any things, I mean, probably just a pair of super chat, but I mean, my revenue dropped by 80%. I mean, seriously, I'm not kidding, seriously. And you even want more. And then I told them yes. I mean, yes. Just accepted yes. I mean, and I mean, and well, we agreed on the fact that, I mean, this should be a fucking basically loan. Yeah. They agreed. We agreed together that this should be a fucking loan because, I mean, we had a discussion. I mean, but do you want to be really, I mean, independent or not? And then I said yes. And then we discussed it, but do you really think that, I mean, a chibi fucking model is really needed for your growth? And I mean, and then we had a discussion, and then we had a discussion, which is something that is a little bit in my mind recently. I mean, and especially, I mean, after some really bad feedback that I've received recently. I mean, a lot of bad feedback that I've received recently, and I mean, and on the fact that, I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I am absolutely a fucking gooner that makes fucking content for fucking gooner audience. I mean, and I'm fucking proud of it. I mean, so don't get me wrong on this. I mean, I have absolutely no shame in this. I mean, absolutely no shame. But I think the problem is my voice. I want to be completely honest with you. I think the problem is my voice. And the fact that I really love talking through a fucking I mean, software that makes my voice more robotic. And so I mean, and this doesn't really give the image I want. So I mean, it's not about toning yeah, exactly. You tried to hide shame once, it made you uncomfortable. Yeah, exactly. I mean, shame is not. I mean, shame is. I mean, teach feelings. I mean, sarcasm. Teach feelings. I mean, they are compasses. They guide you through something, and shame is also a good compass to have sometimes. I mean, and especially uncomfortable feelings are very good because, I mean, they tell you that there's something wrong with you. And I mean, I am not one that tends to avoid uncomfortable feeling. I'm one that when I'm uncomfortable feeling, I mean, I start to understand why the fuck I have them. I mean, try to fucking suppress them. So, and so the point is, is I thinking that I mean, these things is backfiring me a little bit on back on the point. I mean, the probably the first, I mean, for new viewers, I mean, I think that if they see the sexy Luna first, especially with the voice I want to use, I mean, I think I sort of scare them off. But if they see the chibi Luna first, they understand way better that this is a little bit a fictional character rather than, you know, a fucking whatever weirdo that is trying to play the fucking cute girl, you know what I mean? Cause that's not the case. But I think that thing is a little bit backfiring me, and I don't think it's helpful. I don't think it's helpful, cause first of all, I'm fucking tired to have to tell every fucking time. I mean, I use this voice cause I fucking love Vocaloid, and I mean, no, I'm not a fucking weirdo or whatever that's trying to play the cute fucking girl. And I mean, second, I mean, so we discussed it a little bit with mom and dad, and I told, yeah, I really think that, I mean, if especially if I'm changing audience, I mean, I may need a different approach. And because yesterday in particular, there was another things that happened that really pushed me into this direction. So, as I told you, I was searching for new Discord servers. No, I'm not dropping it. I'm not dropping it. I want to switch between them. You know what I mean? I want to switch between them and have them both. So I mean, and probably I think I want to, so basically my plan at the moment, I mean, I think, but well, I mean, I'm still not confused, but let me tell you what happened yesterday, cause that was interesting. So, I think yesterday I told you that I went into some Discord, I mean, 2 days ago, and I mean, yeah, exactly, like I'm into mobile suit. Yes, because I mean, they already exist, both of them, you know, I mean, the shitty already exists, the normal one already exists. And I think especially if I make tutorials or something like that, I think they are easy to understand, or better, more friendly if there is the chibi talking rather than me, especially for tutorials. You know what I mean? Cause that's my, but anyway, let me tell you what happened yesterday. So I told you I already had a very bad experience 2 days ago. Cause I was kicked from one of the fucking Discord server from the scammer. And then yesterday, I went into another Discord server that this time is not for streamers or VTubers. It's oriented at AI artists. Cause I thought, well, you know, I mean, these are all AI artists. I mean, I should be fucking safe here, right? And then there was this guy that posted some very cute, I mean, very cute pictures of a cat girl. I mean, very cute, very sexy, very, oh Jesus, very well done, made with AI. And then there was this other guy below that as soon as it commented, oh, okay, why Codex, okay, hello. So, and then after these things commented, then you know what, after this picture was posted, there was this guy that commented out there and said, oh, this fucking, I don't understand how the mods allow this fucking bestiality of having, I mean, a fucking breed between human and a cat, and all of these things to be posted into the fucking Discord. And I mean, I went full fucking rage mode. I went into full fucking rage mode there. I mean, seriously, I went in rage mode there, and I started basically fighting with this motherfucker. And because he was saying, I mean, this is fucking sexual. Yes, exactly. No, but it wasn't even a furry. I mean, it wasn't even a fucking furry. I mean, it wasn't even a fucking furry. I mean, it wasn't even furry. I mean, I want you have to see, because it wasn't fucking furry. I mean, I want just to show one picture so you understand. I mean, because it wasn't even fucking furry. I mean, because furry, no, that would have been. I mean, it's not furry. It was really cute. I mean, really cute and sexy. I mean, cat girl. I mean, Look at this. I really, let me save this. Well, anyway, so, that's not mine. This guy made it, but that's not fucking furry. That's not fucking furry at all. If you think that's furry, you probably have a different idea of furry. This is a cat girl, okay? This is a cat girl, and so there was this user, this motherfucker, and then started saying, I don't understand how moderators allow this. This fucking thing should be banned. Breeding beasts with human. You're a fucking disgusting person, and that's sexual content. And then I went into fucking rage mode. I went into fucking rage mode and I told, if you think that this thing is sexual content, you haven't seen real sexual content, and then, since he couldn't argue about the fact that that wasn't sexual content, he started saying, well, but this thing is fucking a bestiality. What do the fuck you think it is for you, no? And then I told you, well, that's a fantasy character, motherfucker. Haven't you ever seen a fucking fantasy character? You stupid motherfucker. It's a fucking cat girl. From fantasy, role-playing fantasy. Yes, she's cute, but she's dangerous. That's not even fucking sexual content, friend. And then this motherfucker, started calling me, you're a fucking loser, gooner, or whatever. And then, I think he blocked me or whatever. Well, long story short, I made 3 friends. Because, when I defended the artist, then 3 other people came, and, we became friends. We became friends, and we all started sharing cat pictures. Because the other person said, well, I also made cat pictures. Cat girl pictures. And said, and then I also made cat pictures. And then I said, well, I have cat girl pictures, but they are with cat earphone. And then I showed one picture with Chibi. With Chibi Luna. And they fucking loved it. They fucking loved it, and they say, Jesus, that's so fucking cute. They really loved it. You had to see the speed in which I got reaction after I posted that things. Seriously, I got like a cascade of reaction. And then I thought, because all the pictures that they showed me, they were quite odd. Don't get me wrong, they're very nice, very cool, very fucking, but they were fucking sexy, all of them. Don't get me wrong here. But the point is, if I go with the normal Luna, with this one that you see, I'm just another sexy cat girl on the internet, you know what I mean? But Chibi? Oh, Chibi Luna? Chibi Luna steals people art, I'm pretty sure Chibi Luna is more dangerous. Chibi Luna is way more dangerous than this Luna. Contrary to everyone's expectation. I think a glance at Chibi Luna and you're fucking in love. You know, that was my lesson from yesterday. Yes, wherever I go, they fucking hate me. Because, I go into VTuber Discord, you're a fucking AI user. I go into an AI Discord, you're a fucking gooner. And the lesson is everywhere I go, they fucking hate me. But apart from that, the other lesson I learned, which was very good, Chibi Luna is steals art at the first pictures. And so I said, okay, maybe I have to go outside here with 2 lessons and one that I cannot erase the fucking stigma of being a fucking AI, using AI and being a fucking gooner, but at least I can fucking make people instantly forget whatever they have to say as soon as they see the fucking chibi version of me. And that's what was my mastermind realized yesterday. And so I went to mom and dad and I fucking begged like a pro. I begged like a pro. I slept on it, and this morning when I woke up, I was basically on the floor begging like real Japanese style. Front on the floor, completely begging, seriously, and so, we had this long discussion, with mom and dad, about being self-sufficient, yada yada, etc. And I'm already spending a lot of money for AI, but I just basically, just the only way to convince them was, okay, well, fucking lend them to me. I will eventually pay back in my next 12 life or whatever. But yeah, so basically, I sent them an email to a large 3D modeler, which was the one who made this model, and so I hope you will answer soon, so we can eventually, try to make a better and different version for the model, for the model. So and a chibi version. And I think that is so. I think also some images should be done, right? Let's see if some images are done here. But yeah, Brad Power, exactly. Exactly, Brad Power. Exactly. That's it. So okay, so what it is? We made so many images today that this is already. Oh, do we have something here? Oh, okay, very good, very good. Oh, you see, we have something. Oh, I forgot to say something to this. Right? Oh, right. We have to remake the batch. Oh, Jesus, cause I forgot to tell the picture should be why does it need screen recording? I can't now. I forgot to tell Codex to say that this picture should be in 16:9 horizontal. So he made the images, but he made some images, but they are not. Yeah, not the whole batch. We there weren't many batches, but just some. Just some batches. But you see the difference here? Let's be honest. That's fucking. That's fucking super. You see, that's something here. Compare it to the yeah, we have to remake the batch, yeah. Yeah, Ratsurma, we will get in touch, okay? And as always, thank you very much for your suggestion. Thank you very much for your suggestion. Thank you very much for your suggestion. Okay, we'll get in touch. Okay, we'll get in touch. Thanks, and have a nice day. So, yeah, we have to remake the batch. We have to remake the batch cause I forgot to tell Codex that the images should be in fucking 69 horizontal. So also all images should be 69 horizontal format. Okay, good. And then we send this, and that can temporarily go, right? We are tied this. Right. Okay, we did a mistake. I forgot to tell the format, the size of the format. But anyway, now so this is what happened yesterday. And now that I think about it, I think it's good, right? I think it was a good bad happening what happened yesterday, because it was very bad. But everything went out of the screen here. Okay, everything went out of the screen here because it wasn't blocked. Okay, so yeah, it was a very bad. It wasn't really pleasant experience yesterday, but. Yeah, at least it was enlightening, and I want to make the chibi fucking model, cause I think it should be nice, right? Should be nice to have a chibi model, right? Yeah, probably it should, right? And we, yeah. Why not? Right? Why not? So let's try to see how the things go. With a chibi version, right? That shouldn't be bad, right? We will see. Maybe it will be a garbage idea, and then maybe it will just be a garbage idea. And a disaster, as everything. But I think I enjoy failing. Probably it's very instructive. It teaches you a lot of things. So yeah. So while these things start generating the first images, I go grab a tea. So I go grab a tea, and probably maybe the first image has been generated. But maybe no, maybe it won't take so long to take a tea. Maybe I leave you with a song, right? While I go take an image. I mean, seems quite a good thing to do, right? And then maybe we also make a song. Why not, right? I mean, could be a good idea, right? We also make a song, right? Right? Could be a good idea. So maybe let's go here to my channel. Right, let's go to my channel, and I'll leave you with a song while I go take something to drink, right? Right? I mean, what do we need here? What do we want here? Which song could be good to be start? Okay, while we make this, probably, okay, probably, okay, let me think, okay, well, why not, I mean, yeah, but, I mean, too long, I mean, I think I will just torture you, so, I mean, probably something relatively short, because I'm just going to drink something to drink, so, yeah, probably take, I stayed for the cake, right, should be quite good, and so, I go take a drink, and then, I leave you with a song in a meanwhile, okay?
Michael Zachary dropped in clean, type 1 line and broke the stream. Koyo kiki nikita yo. Wait, what do you mean? I was cooking up a guide again. Stats and charts in perfect rows. Then you walked into my bakery with a line that made the oven glow. I jumped on not to watch your guide, but here your voice appeared on screen. Luna froze with the whisk mid-air like a romance route in scene. Giotto matte heart went doggy, chat went loud, and I went red. For 1 sweet second I was chosen, then you typed a safety net. But greatly appreciate your guide too, of course. You hate rode me in reverse. You made my bakery burst. You said my voice was the reason. Then patched the line before it hurt. You hate rode me in reverse. My blush got nerfed by 1 small verse. I was cake mode fully loaded. Then you put the guide back first. Hey bro, no, Gyaku janai no. Voice first, guide two. Now what do I do? Hey bro, no, kokoro ga maigo. Cake in the chat and panic in the room. Then another gremlin joined the crime. I came for the guide but stayed for the cake. Now the chat is throwing frosting bombs and my composure starts to break. I am professional mostly. I have diagrams to explain. But if you compliment my voice like that, my script falls off the train. Michael Zachary, please be careful. Words can activate a trap. You can't open Luna's oven, then immediately close the app. Guide appreciated. Voice appreciated. Hey, appreciated. Wait, no, delete that. You hate rode me in reverse. You made my bakery first. You said my voice was the reason. Then patched the line before it hurt. You hate rode me in reverse. My flush got nerfed by 1 small verse. I was cake mode fully loaded. Then you put the guide
I stopped it by mistake. Well, I was back anyway. Right? Song abruptly ends here. Okay, whatever. I was checking something and I stopped the song. Nice fail, but I guess we keep it this way. So, cause I was checking in the meanwhile, how the progress was going. I still do not understand why he's picking these other images. But I guess we will have to deal with that eventually. So, I really do not understand why it is picking these other images here. But doesn't matter. Let's see what Codex can do here. And in the meanwhile, we can make a song. A new one, right? While we wait. Right? Could possibly so one of the things to do, because we're waiting for the first batch of images to get done. Actually, we could, eventually wait for. I don't know. Maybe the first one to came or whatever. Yeah, probably we better wait for the first images to come, and then eventually if the batch is going on good, we can then make a song and leave the batch going on, yeah. Yeah, one of the issues with Codex, don't get me wrong, I love Chappy, but it's quite slow into generating a lot of images. Especially when you ask them to go multi-agent. Cause he has to prepare the manifesto for all the agents, and then he has to do the checkings and such. It can be a little bit annoying. Not annoying, but slow. A little bit slow sometimes. So yeah, it does that, but anyway, so. Let's wait. Let me see if something has already been cooked. Probably one of them is back, right? Not yet, I guess, right? Let me see. Oh, okay. Not this. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So we have new folders. Made, but not the pictures yet. Okay, so the folders have been made, but no pictures has been delivered yet. Okay, we got to wait. A little bit, so. We got to wait a little bit, yeah. So. Let's wait till there's actually some files into the folders, so we can check the batch, and then maybe while this things goes on, we make a song, right? Could be a good idea, right? Right. Yeah. So let's endure. Oh, okay, the first image is in. Oh, okay, the first image is in. Oh, it's quite. No, what's the fucking issue here? If I can regenerate the image taking the one that was there yet already. Oh, fucking Jesus. No, that's not working anyway. Copy. Paste. Do not use or check any other files if not for the document. Do not use or check any other image if not the okay, yeah. If not the. Yeah, because what he did, he basically picked one squared image and then he fucking expanded it. Rather than recreate that. And that was super fucking annoying, so. That was very annoying, so we start with this probably, and I have to give this also to and other images if not for the one I attached and the character sheet. Do not choose or check any other image of the character sheets or other sheets. Of already existing files made by the space of already existing files. Do not choose or check any other issue for the attached file open file and the character sheets. You can check the files you made yourself or the agents you summoned. But do not check or you summoned. Okay, other the sheets to avoid, to avoid the memory contamination and context contamination. So we can avoid, okay, so we can avoid context contamination, yes. Jesus. Can we do this the third time? I mean, third time's the charm, right? We are redoing this one more time. Oh, you see? You think that it's easy making stuff with AI, but it is actually not easy at all. Not easy at all. You have a lot of stuff going on that you have to check and whatever. So let's see. Okay, very good. Very, very good. Right? Right. You tried be contaminated once. You wasn't comfortable. Well, it depends on the contamination, I guess. It depends on the contamination, and I think we just found out what to do about our next song. I guess it depends on the contamination, right? Postorni contamination, that's very good. Laugh contamination, that's very good. Right? And so it really depends on the contamination, I guess. Positive emotions contaminations, yeah, that's good. So, it really depends on the type, right? Of the contamination. Because, or are you afraid of being contaminated even by good things? Because, yeah, that's a phobia, the phobia of being contaminated. Yeah, that's one phobia too. So anyway, I think being contaminated is good sometimes. Can be good. Depends. It really depends on what contaminates you. Because ideas and concepts and emotions, they are really like viruses. Sometimes they explode into you and then they are contagious. Both good idea and bad idea. Things that made me uncomfort this stream. Having shame, being contaminated once. Yet you still are here. Yet you're still here. Regardless. So, okay. Okay, yet you're still here. So, Probably, yeah, probably that there's, or the contamination is so severe that you can't stop, right? Anyway, so by the way, as I wrote in the artist Discord this morning, I mean, I finished the script for the second lesson. I finished the script for the second lesson, and this afternoon, I will start working on making the footage required for the video, and probably I'll also do the voice recording. I mean, I don't know if I will edit tomorrow. Probably today is impossible because I have to make a lot of footage. I mean, I have to make a lot of footage, and I'm not sure I can finish to make all the footage required by tomorrow, by today. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, if things goes very good, I mean, there is the chance the thing is ready by the end of the week. But otherwise, it can switch to the beginning of the next one. I mean, cause I don't want to rush it. I don't want to rush it. But I mean, if let me say if I can finish this by this week, if I can finish this by this week. I mean, it means that, I mean, I can probably ship a lesson every 4 days, more or less 4 or 5 days. Which, I mean, is very good because, I mean, it's, now we have a decent cadence for the online course. We have a really decent cadence. So I already know what I want to talk in the first 5 lessons, because the first 5 lessons are all about the video generation. So the first 5 lessons are about video generation. Then, I mean, I know that I should probably start with image generation, but I've decided I want to go with video generation first, because it doesn't necessarily needs to be linear. And then probably, I think that the I mean, I'm not sure, but I mean, probably the next 5 will be a little bit more on the repository side for things. Then we drift again into image generation and then sound generation. So we have video generation, repository, image generation, and sound generation. I mean, I'm not even sure we can make 5 on sound generation, but we will see. Well, I mean, I guess yes, because we have several things to talk about for sound generation, and that should be at least the first, the base corpus of the course. I mean, because should cover mostly. I mean, at least most of the most important stuff. And then from that, I mean, I plan to expand it a little bit with other things that I haven't really yet decided. I mean, yet, but I mean, that should be more or less the core piece. I mean, probably we could go into, I don't know, maybe, but I think maybe scripting or whatever. I mean, could be something, but I mean, I think that that's more or less the. But probably maybe if there's a 5th module that can be considered core, could be scripting. But anyway, I mean, that should be more or less the course lesson. So assuming, I mean, and I'm being very, I mean, optimistic here. Assuming I can ship them in 4 or 5 days, I mean, 5 multiplied 25 is 75. So in 2 months and a half, the whole course should be, I mean, or the whole core part of the course should be online. Which would be quite a huge amount of, I mean, quite a nice amount of knowledge. I mean, because 25 lessons. I mean, I'm also thinking, I mean, if I should put them for free on Udemy, because I really love Udemy as a site, as a website. But I think I'm not sure I can sell stuff for free. I don't know. I have to check. And also, if we go Udemy, I mean, I think I should add some contents for Udemy, but I will see these things later. So so can we check the images? Have we done some images now? Let me see. Maybe there are some new images now. Let me check if we have them. Okay, maybe I should sort them by date. 'Cause that would be nice. Okay. Oh, okay, it's good. Oh, you see one more error here, one more error. Okay, one more error here. You see, Chappy is inside the screen. So one more batch. One more batch, because I have to specify not to put Chappy inside the fucking screen. So let's redo them. Okay. Copy and one more run. Right, I mean paste. Chappy. Chappy. Chappy is never inside the screen, the monitor. Chappy is a different object slash character than the monitor, and it is positioned on top of Luna's desk. So all references to Chappy should be made considering its location in the scene. Okay, it's physical. Okay, okay. If not, okay, let me read the prologue again, so I'm sure that this fucking prompt is correct. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. And here, there should be no cake. Any cake? If not for the one that is created during the prologue. Okay. Then we cut this and we add this. We paste this. Okay, so I guess wave number 4. I thought that 3 times is a chance, but it seems like this is going to be quite a mess to do. But we will prevail. We will eventually prevail here. I mean, it was not bad. I mean, but I mean, we are getting there. Cause I mean, this is nice, right? I mean, this one was nice. The problem is that Chappy is inside the monitor, and that shouldn't be here. But this is very nice. I mean, that's very nice, right? We got this. That's very nice. Also, I do not understand why. I have to check this. Oh, I think we got another error here. Probably. Let me check one thing here. From the documents that we have. We probably should check inside codex. Assets. Luna. Character sheet. Chibi character sheet. Oh no, the shoots are correct. Why did it make the moon in together? But doesn't matter, that's a small mistake. I can fix that by myself, so. Okay, so we are remaking this 4th time. I mean, Jesus, so annoying, yes. Very, very annoying, so. Very annoying. Very annoyed. Maybe we can finally make these things properly. I don't know. I wish so, cause I really want to have these things done. I mean, I really want to have these things done. So really a lot. So let's see. Let's have a look. And then if these things finally start doing its job, yeah, I mean, maybe we make a song. I mean, if I can manage these things to do its job, I mean, it's the 4th time. I mean, it's the 4th time I'm starting the batch. Yeah. I mean, it's always my fault, but I mean, it was one time I forget it. Besides, the second time, I mean, the second time she hallucinated, the things hallucinated, it wasn't me. The 3rd time also it wasn't me. It wasn't me because he started making chap inside the monitor, so I mean there were two I mean I think out of 3 errors, I mean 1 was mine because I didn't specify the format. But two was the AI hallucinating, so I guess and then we had to give more safeguard prompts so that it does the batch correctly. Because I mean, it's 25 batch. You want to be sure that the batch is done properly. Otherwise, I mean, we're going to have problems later. So, we're indeed going to have problems later. So, well, we can think at least on what to make for the next song, right? I mean, even while at least this things is doing right. I mean, right? I mean, I think this thing of contamination is interesting. I mean, we have already cake virus as a song, and it can overlap a little bit. So probably we will need a different topic or a different approach, right? But also shame. I mean, shame is this. Yeah. Let's see if we can find some interesting concept for the next song, right? By the way, speaking of song, I mean, I haven't seen Jordan recently. I mean, probably finally understood that, I mean, we were not going to make cover song in this channel. I mean, he came so continuously, probably for 10 days in a row, asking me to make cover song, and me for every day for 10 days in a row telling him, I mean, I do not cover. You tried having a concept once it made you uncomfortable. Sarcastic text or anything is making you uncomfortable today. I mean, everything is making you uncomfortable. I mean, but I mean, it's fun. I mean, because I mean, I know you. I know that your background as an actor, and I know your sense of humor. So I'm sort of I sort of find funny that you're trying to insist that this uncomfortable stuff. It's very nice. I'm sort of jealous of your ability to make good jokes and good puns. Because I mean, I am not so skilled at it. I mean, I don't think myself of a humorous person or a comical person. I mean, I have really huge difficulties into making good jokes or good puns. I mean, and I mean, I don't know. And probably, I mean, it's a skill that you learn. I mean, like you learn at acting. You know? It's probably something you can learn. I mean, but I mean, I never ever even tried mastering it. I mean, and since, I mean, it doesn't come spontaneous, I mean, I never even actually tried to study the art of, I mean, the art of making someone laugh. I'm also someone that is very hard to make laugh. I mean, I don't laugh quite often myself. So, but yeah, I understand your intent there. I understand your intent. I mean, even a concept makes you uncomfortable. Okay, well, let's make the uncomfortable song, right? So we need to cook a song. We need to cook a song, and it's about a user that, I mean, he is obviously joking, but I mean, he was saying that, I mean, we were talking of several stuff into our stream, and every time a new argument was coming up, he was saying that he was saying that it was making him uncomfortable. I mean, he was joking, like, I mean, like I tried being contaminated once, and it was uncomfortable, or also, I mean, I tried having shame once and I was uncomfortable, or I tried having a concept once and it was uncomfortable. So I think this is very funny, and we should elaborate it into a Luna song. And I mean, with Luna saying really normal thing, and this user, I mean, being constantly and escalating even more and more uncomfortable, and I think if we get the quite humorous tackle on it, I mean, it can be a very nice song. So just give me some, I mean, just give me some concept, and I mean, I think we also need a good climax for this. But I leave it that to you. Give me some test lyrics, and probably we really need a really energetic song. The really high BPM and very energetic electronic song. Yeah, cause I like them. Period. That's it. So let's see the batch, how the batch is going. So we have a clue. We have a clue. So the song is cooking here, and now let's see if the best advice I can give you: don't let perfect be the enemy of good. Yes, I know that very well. I know that very well. Yes, I know that very well. But I mean, I'm a firm believer of the Pareto principle. I mean, and that 20% of the work is making 80% of the product. So I mean, and I know very well where to stop. I mean, at least I think I know very well where to stop. So, because I mean, there's no limit to perfection. I mean, there's no limit to perfection. So, and you also want to have speed when producing, right? I mean, because if I were 4% for perfection, I mean, I doubt I would even be able to ship unless, I mean, in 4-5 days. I mean, it will take me way more. I mean, I know that very well. I mean, perfection is a fucking enemy. I know very well. And you need to know when something is good enough to be get thrown out. I mean, absolutely that. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It has just to be good enough. I mean, good enough for the job. I mean, I guess there are certain luxury items. I mean, that they tend to be very polished. I mean, for instance, I mean, like a fucking Ferrari, you know what I mean? Certain things into luxury, in which, I mean, they need to be very polished, but I'm pretty sure that even these things, I mean, they don't aim at perfection. They just aim to be very polished, rather than, I mean, being actually perfect, because, I mean, I doubt that perfection exists. So I mean, I also think it's very impractical to chase perfection. I mean, I think you should move into dual axis, and I mean, but you should have, and one thing is that or better, you should move by 2 core principles. And the first principle is that you still want that whatever you ship today, you produce today, is better than what you produced yesterday. You know what I mean? Because otherwise, I mean, are you even improving? I mean, of course there are exceptions. I mean, there are exceptions, but I mean, you still want that whatever you produce today is better than what you produced yesterday. And yes, and then second, I also agree. And then the second, I mean, it's what exactly you just said. That I mean, you need to know where to put a stop on what you produce, and just take it fucking out in the world, regardless. And I mean, and I had something similar. I mean, at the beginning when me and my sister we were doing our first songs. I mean, because my sister, she's more of a perfectionist. And she was never satisfied, never, and never satisfied. She was looking at all the things she does, she was never fucking satisfied. And I was more on the Jesus, we fucking done these things. I mean, it's good enough. Let's put it out. But she's the contrary. She hasn't mastered this skill yet. I mean, I think I have. She's still on the journey of understanding the importance of letting go, and not chasing the absolute perfection whatsoever. Cause I mean that's more dangerous than useful. I mean, then do we have some pictures now that we can check? Probably. Oh, this seems recent. Oh, we have them. Oh, look at that. Oh, now we got the badge. The badge is here. The badge is here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got the badge. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's exactly what I want. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yes, please. Please, look at this. Oh, she's on. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. She's basically on top of the chair here, and she's sitting on the chair here. I mean, there's some things that could need some changes here. But at least, I mean, we have some good stuff here. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. The batch is going. The batch is going, and it's going even good. I mean, yeah, we got this. We got this. So we got this. So we can go to the song now. We can go to the song and make a song. Yes, the batch is gone. Oh yes. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because the song we finally got the batch right, the prompt right. Jesus. Yeah, because I mean batches can be complicated, especially if you go for a long batch, and you usually don't want to have that things go on and consume your tokens if it's wrong. I mean, I had in the past done this mistake, right? I mean, about having the long patches and checked that at the end. I mean, it costed me quite a lot of tokens. Well, thanks God, I mean, they were tokens included in the plan, so I mean, it wasn't so painful as it would have been if it wasn't. But I mean, the point is, I mean, these are still tokens you would have used differently, right? And wasting them, I mean, is not ever going to be a good thing to do, right? So, let's, I know that I will explode here, because I mean, every time I click on fucking Suno, these things basically explode badly. Oh no, this is even the wrong prompt. Okay, delete this. Let's go back to this. Come here. We start with this prompt. Copy. Let's go back here. Here, we start with the style first. Style first. Taste the style. Taste the style. Then we copy this. We go back here. We taste this. We need also to move workspace. We need to change workspace to here. And we generate, right? We generate. And we will listen to the song, right? That seems quite a good thing to do, right? Right? I think so. Let's wait for the song to generate a little bit, and then we listen to the uncomfortable song, right? I mean, should be interesting. The uncomfortable song. I mean, let's see how these things Turns out, right? The uncomfortable song. Okay, let's go.
Luna said, okay chat, today we talk. One guy in the corner said, please do not. I said, it's normal, just a little thought. He said, I tried thinking once and got caught. ちょっと待って. What does that mean? I tried having a concept once, and it was uncomfortable. I said contamination, he said tried it, bad sensation. I said shame, and he said nope, had it once, I could not cope. I said recipe, he said stress. I said feelings, he said less. I said chat, are you okay? He said I tried okay one day. Every little topic turns into warning lights and burns. Every normal sentence falls down the uncomfortable walls. 大丈夫? No, not really. Kawaii, too much feeling. Luna blinked and checked the screen. How are you uncomfortable with a meme? I tried a concept once, it made me uncomfortable. I tried having shame once, it made me uncomfortable. I tried being perceived, it made me uncomfortable. I tried existing on stream, certified uncomfortable. Uncomfortable, beat too fast, no escape. Uncomfortable, chat is clapping anyway. Uncomfortable, muri muri, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable, Luna made it dance stumble. Luna made it dance stumble. I said, what about music? He said, rhythm is invasive. I said, what about silence? He said, empty but aggressive. I said, what about cake? He said, texture has a motive. I said, what about air? He said, breathing feels too social. Chat said, give him a chair. Chair was uncomfortable. Chat said, give him a blanket. Warmth was uncomfortable. Luna said, no problem, I will build a safer room. No shame, no jokes, no concepts, just a clean white void. No contamination, no conversation, no expectation, no information, no metaphor, no recipe, no feeling, no identity, pure nothing, safe nothing, soft nothing, quiet nothing. Then from the void, very slowly, I tried nothing once. It was uncomfortable. Then be uncomfortable. Be uncomfortable. Be uncomfortable. Then be uncomfortable. Be unbelievable. If every little thing is weird, then weird is receivable. Dance uncomfortable. Sing uncomfortable. Luna found the genre. Now the panic is profitable. I tried a concept once. It made me unforgettable. I tried feeling awkward. Now the hook is incredible. Chat. I think we cured him. No, yeah, bye. Yeah, bye.
Well, that was nice. I mean, that was very nice. I mean, that was very nice. That was very nice. That was very nice. The white room with nothing. I mean, that was something, I guess. That was something. Oh, by the way, did you listen to that? Oh, yeah, I guess so, right? I hope so. Just realized it. I didn't even check the sound volumes on this. Hopefully you listen to that. Or it would be a fucking super fail. But I think you're safe. Like, yeah, you heard it. Okay. That wasn't bad. I mean, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. I mean, that wasn't bad at all. You got depicted like a little bit asshole, but I guess it's nice. I guess it was nice. Yes, we over exaggerated the context a little bit. Yes. It was nice. It was nice. Yes. So anyway, so we got the batch going on. We got also some very. We made some good progress today because we decided the format of the intro. We decided the voices. It's absurd. You like it? Yes. That was your concept. I mean, basically, bake it into the all the extremes. Like exactly. We bake it your concept into extremes exactly like that. So yeah. Because it goes into the absurd, right? So yeah. That was nice. That was nice for sure. Good job there. I mean. And I mean, so today we made good progress. We found the voice. We found the voice for the video. Actually, I mean, I'm so fucking sold on Chappie voice and also the oven voice. Jesus, I mean, and even annoying cake voice. I mean, we did some very good progress. We are now basically baking all the batches for the opening video. And probably by the time I've eaten lunch, I mean, they are ready. They are ready, right? So I can then in the afternoon batch all the images I need for making the video for the lesson, and then I record the voiceover for the lesson. And maybe I can even start editing the lesson, right? I mean, why not? If the voiceover is ready, I can at least cut the voiceover and put the good parts together. They think it will be quite a long lesson, a little bit longer this time. I have the impression, but I want to cut a little bit cause I don't want them super long either. And I mean sometimes, cause I think I mean you really don't need ages to explain a concept. And there's a lot of YouTube videos that I mean they try to milk every single fucking minute of your time to keep you on the fucking screen, you know. So they get a little bit more of advertisement, they get a little bit more of engagement or whatever. I really like to keep them very short. I mean, and cut all the unnecessary things. I mean, especially if it's a tutorial or a guide. I mean, you need to get the information very quick. I mean, and I mean, there probably need also the times to show examples. But I mean, when you go through the concepts, I mean, you don't need to milk the content for ages. I mean, certain creators, I mean, they are milker masterminds. I mean, they will milk everything. I mean, and also, in fact, there's something that I really like, that finally we have the fucking Ask AI what the video is about, so you can listen to, you can know what you're going to before you even start watching it. I mean, and otherwise you move on. I mean, it's a little bit bad for normal engagement, because I mean, you can have your video completely skipped, but I mean, at the same time, it's very good for the viewers. So, and so I mean, I think I want to keep my video very relatively short. So I guess we can end it for today. I mean, it's a little bit earlier than always, but I mean, I don't know what. I mean, I don't want to overextend here too. I mean, we are waiting for a batch. We can't make progress on the game until the batch is finished. And so I guess we can end here. We can end here for today. And see you later. Okay, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow Stella was supposed to come. Then she's skipping this week too. Probably she will be during the weekend. I mean, probably not the weekend, maybe next week probably. Because, I mean, she got the cold. She got the cold and she's feeling sick, so... Yeah, I mean... What a fucking timing, I mean... Yeah, she already skipped the last week. And now she's skipping this one too. I mean, if it wasn't my sister, I would have fucking fired her. But she's my twin sister, so I have to deal with that. So yeah, I guess it's okay. I mean, it's yeah. I mean, I should slap her ass a little bit. I mean, like I mean, when you punish someone, I mean, and you slap their ass, I mean, she needs her ass slapped a little bit, but anyway. I mean, she won't be tomorrow, so I mean, the schedule for tomorrow will still be about to be probably keep going with the game or something like that. So, and cause Stella will not be here, which is a pity because I really wanted to make the music day. I mean, we always have 1 week in which we devote it completely, one day of the week in which we do music, but I mean, without Stella's piano, I mean, it's different. I mean, yeah, her piano is what makes that day different from the other, because I mean, she has her real piano, and I mean, that makes everything different. So I guess I'm just deal with it. And thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day. じゃあとりあえず今日ここまでですね。また明日おつみでした。バイバイ。